Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a motivational video. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did making it. So guys, in this video, we're going to have a lot of cleaning to do. We're going to mop, sweep, dust, all of that good stuff. But first we started off with some food for dinner that Babe has gotten us because he knows usually on Saturdays I like to deep clean. So he has helped me out a lot. So now guys, I'm over here doing the dishes that we just made and bubbling them up, scrubbing them up, making sure it's nice and clean. Yep, deep clean because I make sure that I clean every day. Today is just a deep cleaning day on a Saturday. But for some reason, these little plastic plates, they just stay so oily. Like I could double wash them, put extra soap, and they just stay so oily. So you're gonna see me double wash them because it just stays so oily. I don't know what's going on with the material on them, but I think I'm gonna have to toss them and buy some new ones. So now guys, I'm here rinsing on my plates and cups and spoons and all that good stuff, making sure all the soap is out. And see, now right here I have to go and double wash it. See, I'm gonna end up wasting all the soap before I finish, girl. So guys, this is my absolute favorite part after I'm doing the dishes is scrubbing that sink. Yeah, it's just so satisfying. This is my favorite part, just scrubbing that sink. And yes guys, I'm using a brillo because I always have, and it's, to me, that's the favorite, that's my, like, the only thing that I use when I scrub. I don't use no erasers, I don't use none of that stuff. That's just do it for me. So recently guys, I just got that faucet. And the fact that you could actually stretch, there you go, you could stretch that out and you could just rinse your whole sink like that. Oh my goodness, so satisfying. Now that we got that nice and cleaned up, now we're gonna dry everything up. Nena, because you don't want to stay without no fregadero. So you rinse that baño real good and make sure all that water comes out so you can keep wiping and drying it out. Look how nice and shiny it's looking. I just love it. Look how nice that is. Nice and clean. By the way, I did dry it up. The rest of that is that I was waiting for it to go down, okay? Okay guys, so I'm right here wiping my stove down with a little bit of Lysol wipes. I'm also going to be wiping down my microwave because we do use it on a daily basis and it's always good to wipe it down just in case. I'm also wiping down my cabinets with a little bit of Lysol wipes because I used to use it with a rag and I guess I was being too rough with it and I was just taking all the paint off of it. So now I just do it with a Lysol wipe. So now I'm about to climb my chair if I could go and clean the top cabinets, and I'm wiping them down with a Lysol as well. Look at my babies in the side. Look, put a thumbs up. So now I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna drink a little bit of water, and I'm about to start dusting. I did not know that I was being watched by this mirror right here. And sorry for the background, you see the camera and everything. Oh my goodness. But anyways, it got this little part right here of me, you know, dusting everything up. Okay guys, so now we are about to start just soft scrubbing everything up This is my fridge. This is my favorite part. I love to make everything shiny. So now, right now, we just gonna soap this up and get all this creamed up so we could go and wipe it down so it could look shiny. So guys, now I'm gonna do my stove and get that nice and shiny as well. And guys, please don't mind my cabinets. Look at my baby in the background helping me dust. He is so sweet. Beautiful. I gotta wipe you guys down too because I've been moving y'all around all over the place and there's fingerprints all over. Just making sure you guys get a good see. Guys, I'm here now still wiping everything down. And I'm about to turn my humidifier on. I got my essential oils, my water, my little cup for I could just set it up and get it going. As you can see, guys, I'm halfway down the box, so I decided to pick that one. I'm going to fill up my cup with some water to pour it inside of the humidifier and then just put a couple of drops of the essential oil. So here, guys, I'm about to go plug it in so I could just turn it on. And here I got different colors to choose from. I'm looking for a blue so it can match my house. And there it goes. Now guys, I'm turning on my candle wax warmer and I'm trying to look for a similar color to the humidifier color, like a bluish. And I kept looking to find something close to it, but I ended up getting something around it, not the same, but almost like it. And I'm gonna use this candle wax and it smells so good. I'm putting like 3 little pieces because they're small and it will make your house smell so good. Looks so pretty. Moving on to my living room, I'm gonna start cleaning my coffee table. It's a glass table, so I have to constantly be cleaning it, wiping it throughout the whole day. And right here, I always flip it over if I could clean the other side, but I always try to make it the safe way. So I go to the sofa, flip it up like that, and then place it right back. These little plants, we found them in Target. It's so cute. They were only $5 and I can't get enough of them. I got 2 of them. I got over there in the background on the little table. I have some more. Love them. When I go back, I'm getting like 10 more. There's so many places to put it, but I'm going to to put in my laundry room and my bathroom. It's gonna look so pretty. So now guys, I'm over here cleaning my lamp table and getting them nice and clean and dust free. So now guys, it's time to clean that baño and I'm about to clean my TV stand. Y el plato también. Oh, how much I love those hugs. So guys, now I'm on here just dusting everything, and I just got that duster, so I've been using it almost every day just because it's so cool. The way that you could just extend it is so cool to me. Okay guys, so right here I am cleaning up my sofa. I already vacuumed my sofa under there yesterday, so all I have to do is just put it in order, put the pillows on it. It's so pretty. And I'm about to go to the same thing in the other sofa. Don't mind the sides of the sofas. They're not even, I know that already. It's because I broke the other side, the base of the other side, and I can't put as much as those things in the other side, but pretty soon I will. Now I'm dusting my welcome sign. It's so pretty, it's so welcoming. I love it. And I'm about to start spraying a little bit of the Glade soon. Listen, I used to use the spray with the Downy and all of that, but now I use the Glade, that one, and I just spray it on my sofa because it doesn't stain my sofas like the Glade does. I mean, the other kind does. So look guys, those are the plants that I was telling you about. They're so cute too. So moving on to my dining table, I am just gonna wipe my glass table and my little figuras and put it nice, clean and shiny. So now it's time to sweep everything up, but for some reason you always find something. Once you move that sofa, you always gonna find something. There I just found a whole charger. So I'm sweeping everything up, and it don't matter how many times you sweep, because I tell you, I sweep 4 to 5 times a day, and I always find crumbs, dust, all types of things. So when you have kids, the broom is your best friend. So now we about to start mopping. So I'm filling up my bucket with some water, Lysol, and bleach. Hands up a little bit because I was not trying to wet my pants. So I usually mop every single night because of the fact that I have white floors and I have to be on top of it to keep it clean. But my babies are there. They sitting there being good boys and letting mommy clean the house. So now I'm about to clean my kitchen, mop my floor real good. So guys, this is the end of the video and I'm just gonna finish up my little kitchen and mop my floor in my kitchen, and after this I'm just gonna relax, enjoy everything that I just did, smell all that freshness, smell that bleach, smell that Lysol in the air, and just have my view and look at my beautiful, clean, humble home. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.